In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft Teams from startup after you've uninstalled it from your computer. Dealing with applications that continue to run at startup even after you've uninstalled them can be frustrating, but there's a simple way to stop this from happening, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step. First up, you'll need to access the task manager on your PC. You can do this easily by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut is a quick and efficient way to bring up the task manager without navigating through several menus. Once you're in the task manager, look at the tabs running across the top and find the one labeled Startup. This tab is key to controlling which applications automatically run when your computer boots up. Now that you're in the Startup tab, this is where you'll see a list of all the applications that have permission to launch when your computer starts. These could be applications you use frequently, or maybe ones you didn't even know were starting. Even after uninstalling, sometimes programs like Microsoft Teams might still linger here. As you scroll through this list, keep an eye out for Microsoft Teams. If you see it listed there, don't worry. We're going to easily manage this. Right-click on Microsoft Teams to open a small context menu. Here you'll have the option to disable. By selecting disable, you're telling your computer to stop running Microsoft Teams when it starts up. This doesn't affect any other functionality. It simply prevents it from automatically starting, which can help speed up your boot time and clear up unnecessary processes. A quick note, after you've disabled Microsoft Teams in the Startup tab, it won't appear again unless reinstalled or manually re-enabled. This small action can greatly improve your system's performance if you're finding it slow to start up. So to recap, opening the Task Manager is your first step, then navigating to the Startup tab. From there, find Microsoft Teams, right-click it, and select Disable. And that's it. You've successfully prevented Microsoft Teams from starting up automatically, ensuring that you won't see it again until you choose to. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to remove Microsoft Teams from startup after it's been uninstalled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your computer running smoothly. Have a great day.